Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image. Pick a clear PNG or JPG that matches typical keyboard dimensions. Crop tightly to the visible key area so letters remain legible. Once done, open your keyboard settings or install a keyboard app that supports wallpapers and grant necessary permissions. Make sure to save a backup copy of the original image and name the edited file clearly so you can find it for the next steps. Now import the cropped image into the keyboard's wallpaper slot and use preview mode to align elements under the keys. Reduce opacity or add a subtle blur so key labels stay readable. This is why contrast matters. Too busy a photo breaks clarity. Once adjusted, save the profile and apply it to one app for a live test. If labels are misaligned, tweak the crop and repeat. Small shifts in positioning make a big difference in typing comfort. Finish by applying the wallpaper profile globally or set it per app depending on where you type most. Test both portrait and landscape orientations to confirm nothing gets cut off. Once satisfied, export the profile or save a settings backup so you can restore quickly. If something goes wrong, reset contrast or recrop the image to move distracting details away from key areas. And if readability still fails, revert to the default keyboard. This quick rollback keeps typing uninterrupted while you refine the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.